Alright, picture this. You step into a shiny sci-fi elevator, hit the button that says Core, and the doors close. Ding, next stop, the middle of the Earth. That's right, we're not talking basement, or even secret mole people headquarters. We're going all the way down. What would actually happen if you could make that trip alive? Buckle up. First off, the distance. The center of Earth is almost 4,000 miles below us. That's like stacking 13,000 Empire State Buildings in a row. Or, if you prefer fast food math, that's about 21 million Big Macs laid end to end. Don't try that. McDonald's would get suspicious. Normally, this journey is a one-way ticket to Squash and Rose City. Pressure would crush you, and the heat would fry you like a French fry left in the oil too long. But today, you've got magic plot armor. You can breathe, you don't melt, and you won't implode. Basically, you're Superman, but very curious and slightly reckless. Phase 1. The crust. This is Earth's outer shell, and honestly, it's thin, just 20 miles thick under continents. Think of it like the crispy crust on a pizza. You'd zip through it quickly, and if you stopped to look back, you'd see sunlight disappear forever. Note to self, don't forget snacks before leaving. Phase 2. The mantle. Now you're surrounded by hot rock, stretching 1,800 miles thick. The rock here doesn't flow like lava rivers. It creeps along, super slow, more like silly putty that's been sitting in the sun. If you tried to build a house here, the walls would move eventually. Not great real estate. Phase 3. The outer core. And now metal soup. A swirling ocean of molten iron and nickel, glowing red and yellow. This giant metal jacuzzi is where Earth's magnetic field comes from. Without it, solar radiation would cook us and, worst of all, knock out Netflix. Stick your hand in here, and it's like dipping into a star's lava lamp. Just don't. Phase 4. The inner core. Finally, you've arrived at Earth's heart, a solid sphere of iron and nickel, hotter than the surface of the sun, but held together by crushing pressure. Imagine a glowing white crystal ball the size of the moon. Only, instead of telling your future, it's telling you. Why are you here? Go home. Here's the weird part. Gravity cancels out at the very center. With Earth pulling you equally in all directions, you'd float, completely weightless. It'd feel like being in space, except instead of stars, you're surrounded by thousands of miles of molten metal. Kinda cozy, if your idea of cozy is inside a nuclear blast furnace. But wait, what if we dug a tunnel all the way through the Earth? If you jumped in, you'd accelerate like crazy, reaching over 15,000 miles per hour at the center. You'd shoot through in about 42 minutes, then slow down and pop out the other side. Congratulations, you just invented the world's scariest slide. No refunds, and honestly, that 42-minute travel time is wild. Imagine calling your friend in Australia. Yeah, I'll be there in under an hour, just jumping through the planet. Save me a chair. Airplanes are canceled, tunnel gravity travel is in. So here's the big takeaway. Traveling to the center of the Earth alive is impossible, but if it weren't, you'd discover a weightless, glowing metal core at the heart of our world. Equal parts terrifying and beautiful. Basically, the Earth's ultimate hidden level. If you like this trip down the rabbit hole, or, magma hole, hit like, leave a comment about where you'd want to dig your gravity slide, and subscribe for more What If science adventures. Who knows? Next time, maybe we'll explore the center of the sun spoiler. Bring sunscreen.